We're going to make a solid granny square. You'll need a crochet hook. I'm using 4.25 millimeter scissors and a worsted weight yarn. I'm using this one today. So start off with a slip knot. And from here, you're going to chain 4, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. Do that 4 times. And then in the first stitch, you're going to insert your hook and make a slip stitch. And this is going to be our magic circle. You can see the hole right there. From here, you're going to chain up 4. This counts as a triple crochet. And then you're going to insert 3 double crochet into the hole. And we are going to be inserting all of our stitches into the hole for this first round. So that was 3 double crochet. And then you're going to go in with a triple crochet, so that's yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then 3 double crochet again. So double crochets, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and do that 2 more times. Okay. Then again, we're going to insert another triple crochet, followed by 3 more double crochet, and you can kind of see the square forming. So corner, corner, corner. A square has 4 more corners, and the triple crochets are corners. So we're going to insert 1 more triple crochet, followed by 3 more double crochets. And after your third one is completed, you'll have a square. So to enclose the square, you're going to slip stitch at the top of the first stitch to close out your square, and you'll have something that looks like this. So from here, we're going to chain up 4. Again, it's a triple crochet, and in the same stitch, you're going to insert 2 double crochet. Then you're going to insert 1 double crochet into each stitch until you reach the triple crochet at the corner. So once you reach the corner, you're going to insert 2 double crochet and then a treble crochet. This is the corner. And then 2 more double crochet, all in the same stitch. So then you continue around, insert a double crochet, insert a double crochet, and insert a double crochet. And then you've reached the corner, so you're going to insert 2 double crochet and a triple crochet. Then in that same stitch, 2 more double crochet to make your corner. And then I'm pretty sure you're getting the pattern. So a double crochet in each stitch until you reach the corner. So that's 3 double crochets in each stitch. And in the corner, it's 2 double crochets, a triple crochet, and then 2 double crochets, all in the same stitch. And then again, 1 double crochet in every stitch, so that's 3 double crochets. And we started the corner on this side, so we're going to end it doing 2 double crochets. Then we're going to slip stitch at the top of the chain 4 to close off our square. And then we're going to repeat that same thing again. So we're going to chain 4, and then in the same stitch, we're going to do 2 double crochets, and then 1 double crochet in each stitch. Now we've reached the corner, so again, it's going to be 2 double crochets, then a triple crochet, and then 2 more double crochets, all in that same stitch, and then 1 double crochet in every stitch until you meet the corner. The corner is identified by the triple crochet. So again, 2 double crochet and then a triple crochet and then 2 double crochet in the same spot and 1 double crochet in every stitch, and I'll meet you at the end of this round. Okay, here we are at the last double crochet. So again, we're going to slip stitch at the top of that chain 4. So you chain 4 and just continue with that pattern until you get the desired size you want. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.